In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the surface area of a rectangular pyramid. So if we have this problem, it says, what is the surface area of the rectangular pyramid? And we could see that actually this is a square. And then we have 1, 2, 3, and then 4 sides that are the pyramid triangles holding it together. Okay, so the base of the pyramid is a square. We've already established that. And then the front, back, and two side triangles have the same dimensions. Because this is a square, these triangles will all be exactly the same. Okay, so these 4 triangles. The front and the back and the two sides are going to be exactly the same. So we have front, back, side 1, and side 2. So we know that the height of this triangle is 5 centimeters. We could see that here. Okay, so this line is telling us the height. And then we know that the base is 3 centimeters for each of these triangles. So all we have to do now is calculate the area of each of these triangles. So the area of the front is half base times the height, which is half 3 times 5, which is 7.5 centimeters squared. And the area for the other 3 will be exactly the same. Okay, so you could see it's exactly the same. So the area of those 4 is going to be 7.5 each. Now we can calculate the base of the pyramid, and it has side lengths of 3 centimeters. Okay, so now we know that the area of the base is length times width, which is 3 times 3, which is 9 centimeters squared. So now add the area of the 5 faces to find the total surface area. So the surface area is going to be 7.5, you add it 4 times, plus 9, which is the base here, which equals 39 centimeters squared. And that's it. That's all there is to that, doing that question, and it's not difficult. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away, you could rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that are like this. As well, don't forget you could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's a link to this exact video. It'll take you right to this video, and you can watch as you follow along in the ebook. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.